In this video, we are going to discuss the moment of inertia of this rectangular lamina sheet, and about an axis which is passing through its center of mass, and this axis is also perpendicular to the plane which is containing this rectangular lamina. So we have to find out the moment of inertia about this axis. So let us first of all find out the moment of inertia of this lamina about y-axis. Now this is an element which we have to consider, and the width of this element is dx. The distance of this element from this y-axis is x, and this is the y-axis and this is x-axis. Now we can say that if the sigma is mass per unit area of this lamina, then sigma will be equal to m upon AB. Now the area of this element dA would be its length b into its breadth dx. So this is the area, and the mass of this element dm would be dA into sigma. So dm is equal to m upon AB into dA, which is b into dx. Now therefore dm is equal to m dx upon a. This is the mass of this element. Now the moment of inertia of this element about this y-axis would be dm into x square, and the total moment of inertia would be integration of di. Therefore the total moment of inertia would be integration dm, which is m by a into dx into x square, and the limit of this x would be from minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. You can see that the element, the farthest element at the left side would be at this point, and the farthest element on the right side would be at this point. Therefore the limit would be from minus a by 2 to plus a by 2, and this is m upon a, and integration would be x cubed by 3. The limit is minus a by 2 to plus a by 2, and therefore I will be equal to m by 3a into a cube by 8 plus a cube by 8. So I would be equal to ma square divided by 12. This is the moment of inertia of this sheet along this y-axis. Similarly, by considering an element like that, you can find out the moment of inertia of this sheet about this x-axis, and therefore the expression for moment of inertia about x-axis can be predicted as ma square by mb square by 12. So we know by the perpendicular axis theorem, we can say that Iz will be equal to Ix plus Iy. So Iz is equal to m by 12 a square plus b square. So this is the moment of inertia of this rectangular lamina about z-axis, which is the axis passing through the center of mass of this lamina, and this axis is also perpendicular to the plane containing this lamina. Thank you.